If Netflix is showing the F7701-1003 error in Firefox, don't worry, this is usually a browser setting issue, and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get Netflix working again in Firefox, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're not super technical. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and easy software guides. Let's start with the most common fix, which is enabling DRM content in Firefox. Netflix relies on protected playback technology, and Firefox uses a component called Widevine to handle that kind of content. If Widevine or DRM playback is turned off, Netflix may fail to load and show the F7701-1003 error. To check this, open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you'll see the menu button with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu, then choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, use the search bar and type DRM. This will take you directly to the option you need. Look for the setting that says Play DRM-Controlled content, and make sure the box is checked. If it is not enabled, Netflix may not be able to play protected videos correctly. After turning that option on, restart your browser completely, close Firefox, open it again, and then try Netflix one more time. If the error is still there, the next step is to update your content plugins and check your browser add-ons. Sometimes, the secure video playback component is outdated, or an extension is interfering with Netflix. To update your plugins, click the Firefox menu again, then go to Extensions and Themes. From there, look for plugins. If you see a gear icon, click it, then select Check for Updates, and install them if needed. After that, move over to your extensions list. Pay close attention to ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and any browser extensions that could affect streaming. These tools are useful in many situations, but they can sometimes interfere with Netflix video playback. If you have an ad blocker or privacy extension enabled, turn it off temporarily and refresh Netflix. If Netflix starts working, then you found the cause. You can keep that extension disabled for Netflix, or add Netflix to the extensions allowed list. At this point, you've covered the 2 biggest fixes for this error in Firefox: enabling DRM-controlled content and updating or disabling conflicting extensions. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem right away. If Netflix still refuses to work, make sure Firefox itself is fully updated. Then try again after restarting your computer. Sometimes a simple browser refresh is all it takes. And that's how to fix the Netflix F7701-1003 error in Firefox. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.